Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data, because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.